Hi there, this is Yunus, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to cover the topic of variables. So the variables are the essential part of C++. For example, if we say apples equals 7, that means whenever we use word apples, C++ will convert it into the 7. So for example, if we do the following mathematical operation, 5 plus apples, the result of this operation will be 5 plus 7, which is 12. It's like a regular mathematical variable. Like for example, if in school you used to do x equals 5, and 5 plus x equals 10. This implies that x is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use only one variable, which is integer, and we declare it by writing int, then we give it a name. We'll name it apples, and we'll initialize it to 4. So what this line means, int means integer. This is the type of our variables. This implies that we can store only integer numbers in our apples variable. Integer numbers are numbers that doesn't have a decimal point. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You cannot store a decimal number in integer variable. So whenever we use apples in our code, it will mean 4. So for example, let's display our variable cout, and we'll write apples. So if we build and run this, it will display the value of the apples variable. As you can see, displayed 4. Another thing you can do with apples, you can perform mathematical operations upon it. So for example, apples equals 4 times 9 plus 10. I don't know what's the result of that. Let's display it. So apples, and let's see. So 4 times 9 plus 10 evaluates to 46. Another thing that you can do with variables, you can declare another variable called oranges, and let's initialize it to 12, and we'll create another variable called int total, and we don't know total yet. So let's say total equals apples plus oranges. So if we perform this operation, it means total equals 4 plus 12. So if we display our total variable, it will display 16 on the screen. Let's build and run this. As you can see, it displayed 16. So in this tutorial, we covered only one variable, integer. There's a lot of them: double, float. We use them to store fractional and decimal numbers. We have strings and we have char, and we'll cover them in the coming up tutorials. Thank you for watching.